Alright. Continuing later today. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to slime a tire today. The SLIME tire sealant. Got the 104 here, and that rear tire just keeps going flat on me. So it's time to put some slime in it. I got my pump. I'm trying to start something. Ever, it's not starting. Not blinking today. Pump. Probably grab gloves. I don't know how messy this is gonna be. I get these from Harbor Freight. Come around here. Take your cap off. And in it, there's a valve stem remover. Mushy. So you're gonna take your cap off. I have a little extension on here, but I really don't use it because it reduces your airflow going in. So you're gonna take this, and then like so, take your valve stem out. And you're gonna want your valve at the 12 o'clock position. Mine's close enough. Get it? Stem is stuck in there. So like, it turns out it wasn't actually gripping the thing the whole time. Goes to show you, I put 20 pounds in there just a couple days ago. So it's all just leaking out when I put it in there. So I believe that should be open. Take that off. You're supposed to put the straw in here. I just want to see. There's a. There is. Okay. Explain this to me. I've never used this stuff before, so I'm not sure what to expect exactly. Hoping it seals the tire. Let's see what it says to do. Put 12, I think it says upper half, take that out. Fully deflate. Guess they're saying if there's an object in there, which there's not, just dry rot. Pump it and then put your stem back in, pump it up. And I guess drive it. Alright. The straw in the back there. It just pops out. That's it. I guess so. I thought it would be longer than that. Oh boy. Let me get that on there. See, I had to kind of work it on there a little bit. Put it on there now. So now you can go down here. Put that on your valve stem. And then apparently you just squeeze it. Alright, I'm gonna start getting that in there. Need two hands. And once you have it straight up, you really don't see anything else coming out. I'm guessing you're done. You mark it off there, pop it off. There's nothing left in that one. So you're gonna Get the valve stem, get that ready, and that's just gonna pop right back in there, and then you gotta screw it in. Like so. I'm actually gonna keep this tool because valve thingies are always good to have. And they say pump up your tire and drive it. So alright, I'm gonna pump that up. I'm gonna put 15-20 pounds in it, somewhere around there. Just about 20. It's fine for that tire. Had to redo the valve a few times. It's putting too much pressure in. Put a little air in that one, top that one off. This one's not the leaker, it was the other side. So, put that in. I gotta drive it soon. Just gonna pump air in this tire and then drive it for a little bit, like they say to. And that, make sure all the cracks get sealed. Very nice. So both tires are filled up in the back. Move these. They're apparently light bulbs that I wasn't aware of, and I stepped on one and it kind of blew off in there. But here's what it is. I don't know if it's recyclable or what. Seems like on the can for now. Just gonna have to drive it around a little bit and get out all the slime flowing around the tire so it could make sure your tire totally seals. Didn't put valve caps back on today. Bought some new valve caps just the other day. They're aluminum ones. I have to figure out what track I want to put those in. So the aluminum ones are pretty neat. I got some gas. Thinking about one day changing this over to a 12 horse tank so I could go longer without having to fill it up. It's low on fuel. It's a risk we're gonna have to take, I guess. We're out. Siphon it out of another tractor or something. I don't know what else I got laying around. Alright. Forgot about the water on the seat. Minor detail. Choke. Muddy today because all the snow melted this morning. Leaving quite the trail. I'm gonna try this for a few minutes and I'll be back. So I've now driven it a couple laps down the driveway. Mud all over the place, so we'll see how it holds up. Probably making a second video because it by itself it takes about 2 days to drain, or it's really got to be pumped up. So I'll make a video in a couple. I'm gonna continue this video today, but I'm gonna continue on this project when it's done, and we'll see if it works. Hopefully it will.